Hello children, welcome back. This video is about the syllabus overview of biology grade 10. So we have about 5 chapters. The first chapter is life processes. Here we are going to discuss about few life processes that takes place in our body as well as a few organ systems, how do they work in our body. The second chapter is going to be control and coordination. Here we are going to discuss about the nervous system, structure of brain, spinal cord, and also about the hormones, how do they play a vital role in plants as well as in animals. The third chapter is going to be how do organisms reproduce. Here we are going to talk about how plants as well as animals reproduce. And the fourth chapter is going to be heredity. This chapter is something new to you all, and it's quite an interesting chapter too. We'll talk about genes, DNA. And the last chapter is about our environment. So here you will learn about the threats faced by the environment due to human activities. I'm also here to talk about the agenda that I'm going to follow in each and every video. So every video will have an opening part, an action part, and a closure part. So the opening part will have the introductory part about the topics that we are going to discuss. And the action part will be the brief or the detailed explanation about the concepts that we are going to cover. And the closure part will be the summarization of the whole topic. One more thing I wanted to share with you all, since we are going to start our class, a few tips that I wanted to tell you, you can follow right now. The first is your preparation. Start your preparation right now. It's mandatory to read your textbook completely, then you can go with all the other books and the materials that you get. Second thing is your preparation part, presentation. Second is your presentation. So it's very important how you present your paper in your exams. If you write it, I see most of my students in the very beginning they write it as paragraphs and passages. So I always tell them it's important in bio not to write in passage or in paragraphs. Since it's a concept based and process based, it is always recommended to write it in the form of points or in the form of flowchart. So if it is a concept oriented, you can write it in the form of points, and if it is a process, you can write it in the form of flowchart. And one more thing is, wherever you come across important points or some technical terms, you can underline with a pencil or with the pen that you write. So hope this video is useful. We shall see in the next class. Thank you children. Ta-ta. Bye.